On this episode of What It Looks Like, I'm gonna bring you a super simple recipe. It is a spicy shrimp and rice recipe. Takes maybe 5 minutes of prep and 20-25 minutes of cooking time. So I'm excited to bring it to you, so let's get started on What It Looks Like.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like.
The first thing we need, of course, is shrimp, followed by the yellow rice. Now I buy this yellow rice from Sam's Club. It is really good. It has the Spanish style saffron rice flavor. It's delicious. We'll add a little bit of garlic, some black pepper, and to give it that kick, some organic cayenne pepper. Okay, so we need 2 1/4 cups of water. I like to add a little extra, so here I have 2 1/2 cups of water. 1 cup of rice. 1 tablespoon of butter. Then let's bring our water to a boil before we add the rice. Let's add the butter, add the rice, stir it up. Reduce the temperature to low and cover. And so before I season the shrimp, what I like to do is I like to cut my shrimp into little bite-sized pieces. That way, when I have it inside of the rice, it's a lot easier to eat. And I don't have to worry about, oh, this piece of shrimp is too big or what have you. And then for some reason, it seems like to me it makes the shrimp last longer. Like I get a piece of shrimp in almost every bite. So this is what I recommend doing. I don't like sometimes when I go to a restaurant and they have the tail still on the shrimp. Like if you order shrimp and grits and the tail is still on there, so you have to dip your hands in the cheesy grits in order to get the tail off the shrimp. Why they do that, I have no idea. If you've ever experienced that, leave a comment below, let us know what you think. Or if you like that for some reason, also leave a comment below and let us know why you prefer to have the tail on the shrimp if you eat like a shrimp and grits type of dish. Usually I can get about 3 or 4 pieces per shrimp, and these are pretty big. Let's pour the shrimp in the bowl so we can get ready to season it up. Let's first add our garlic seasoning. Mix that up in there. Add some black pepper. Mix that up in there good. And now add some cayenne pepper. For some reason this cayenne pepper, I don't know why it doesn't have a little thing on there so that you can easily pour. So just kind of be careful if you have one that's similar to this. You don't want to have it too spicy. Now, I don't use any kind of recipe. I just kind of go by look and feel. And it looks good to me. And let's get ready to cook it. Okay, let's add some olive oil. Let's add shrimp. Add some butter to the rice, just for a little more flavor there. Add some shrimp right from the pan, get some of that sauce on it. Oh, look at that. Oh, it looks so good. And this is what it looks like. Look at how the shrimp looks so juicy, so tender. The rice has bits and pieces of peppers and green peppers, red and green. You can see the spices on the shrimp there. Oh boy, I cannot wait for this dish. This looks so good, doesn't it? This looks good to you. Again, please leave a comment below. Let us know what you think. As far as what it looks like a really, really good meal. I cannot wait to dig into it. This smells delicious. The rice smells so good. You can smell the seasonings from the Spanish rice flavor, the shrimp. Oh man, you can smell the spiciness in the shrimp, that cayenne pepper. Oh man, it smells so good. The house was smelling good when it was cooking. The kitchen smelled fantastic. This is an awesome, awesome dish. Super simple. Oh man, it smells so good. This is so good. The shrimp, the spiciness from that cayenne pepper, the garlic on there. The rice is good. This is delicious. I'm gonna take another bite. Oh, anyone you serve this dish to is going to be pleased. And it was so easy to make. It took no time. The rice took 20-25 minutes. But once that was done, the shrimp probably took 5 minutes to make, I think. So you will not be disappointed. Oh, this is so good. I gotta take a third bite. Probably because I'm hungry, but this is delicious. And so one thing to keep in mind is to do not overcook your rice, and especially don't overcook your shrimp. Your shrimp should be nice and tender. That way you can taste all the flavor and the seasonings from there. You don't want the dryness of the shrimp to detract away from the whole dish. So make sure it doesn't take long at all to cook the shrimp. I absolutely love this recipe. If you want to try it, if you try this recipe, please, please, please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about it. It is absolutely out of this world.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 10. Next up is taste. 10 for me. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 10. Thank you so much for watching What It Looks Like. We are dedicated to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Don't wait. Why would you wait? And if there is a food product you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below. And if we can find it at our local grocery store, we will show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.